Okay, let us discuss second problem. So that is give-headed key problem. So first problem we have discussed as a lead center. So let us consider the second problem as give-headed key problem here. Now note the dimensions here. All the given dimensions are in terms of millimeter here. We need to take the values of dimensions in the calculation part in terms of centimeter, because later we need to multiply density, so that the density unit is what? 7.8 grams per cc. Cc means centimeter cube. So for that sake we need to consider all the dimensions in terms of centimeter only. Now this is a given figure. Okay, so according to the procedure we need to break up the total part into appropriate geometrical parts, we can say. Let us consider this one as the first part, and this one as the second part, and this one as the third part. The first part, this one, second part, this, and third part, the third part. Okay. Now according to that, we need to break the given diagram into n number of parts here, that too appropriate geometrical parts. So just I divided 3 parts here. Okay, now we need to find individual volumes here. So let us consider first part, volume of first part. Now if you observe the figure clearly, so it is a trapezoidal section it is. So how to find volume of a trapezoidal section? So let us take volume of first part as V1 is equal to, so let me write the equation. So in very simple way I can write sum of parallel sides divided by 2 into distance between parallel sides. Distance between parallel sides into width, we can say, or length, we can say. Okay, or lateral. So lateral width. Okay. Now, according to this, so just here in the first part, so with respect to this one, now identify parallel sides here. So observe this side and this side. These two sides are parallel here. So sum of parallel sides means, so this length plus this length. Okay. Now let me write the values here. This length is 30 millimeter. In terms of centimeter we are taking 3 plus one more side is this length. This length is equal to this length, that is 15 mm. So in terms of centimeter, 1.5 centimeter divided by 2. This particular bracket term is over now. Now distance between the parallel side. Now we have considered these two are the parallel sides here. Okay. Now what is the distance between these two parallel sides? That is 120 mm. So 120 mm means in terms of centimeter, 12 centimeter into width, lateral width. So this width. Okay. Now that is 45 millimeter. 45 millimeter means 4.5 centimeter. Now if you are calculating this one, it will come around 121.5. Unit is centimeter cube. Okay. Now this is the volume of first part. Let me take the second part, volume of second part. Let it be denoted by V2. Now second part is what? This one. Now if you observe the figure, I can find the volume of second part by multiplying length, breadth and width. So that is, what is the length here? This is not given, but the total length is given. So from here to here it is 160. So from here to here it is 120. So 160 minus 120 will get this particular length. So 160 minus 120, that is 40. So I can write 4 centimeter as a length here. Now this particular length, that is 30, so 3 centimeter. Okay, now that 4.5 centimeter, that is 45 millimeter is given, 4.5 centimeter. Now multiplying this, so second part is a cuboidal structure, so length into breadth into height, so we will get the volume. By multiplying 54 centimeter cube, volume of second part is over. So coming to the part 3, volume of third part. So let us say V3 is equal to, once again the volume of third part we are calculating. Third part, if you observe, so once again it is a trapezoidal section. Once again we need to identify two parallel sides here. Now these two are the parallel sides here, these two are not parallel sides. Okay, so these two are the parallel sides, sum of the parallel sides. So what is this length? This length is equal to this one. So let me write sum of parallel sides. One side is 30, that is 3, plus one more side is this length. So 160 minus 120, that is 40. So 4 divided by 2. Sum of parallel sides divided by 2. That bracket term is over. Into. So what is the next term? Distance between the parallel sides. Distance between the parallel sides means what? These two are the parallel sides. Now what is the distance between these two parallel sides? That is 20. So in terms of centimeter, 2 centimeter. So this term is over. So width, lateral width. Lateral width means once again it is a 45 mm. So that is 4.5 centimeter. 45. This particular length, 45. So this is equal to this length. So 45. So just I will taken in terms of centimeter, it will be around 4.5 centimeter. So 31.5. 31.5 centimeter cube. That is V. All the three parts over. So let me find total volume. Let us say V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So we substituting the values of V1, V2, V3. So V1 is 121.5 plus V2 54 plus V3 31.5. So total it is 207. 207. So unit remains as centimeter cube. Sorry. Now, once you get the value of V, so the next step is what? Next step is what? We need to multiply that total volume to the density to get weight. So right here, weight is equal to volume. So V into rho. So V is 207 centimeter cube into density 7.8 gram per cc. So centimeter cube get cancelled. So weight will get around 207 into 7.8, 1614.6 grams. Okay, so in terms of kg divided by 1000, so 1.614. Let me take 3 digits only in terms of kg, that is weight. Okay, now how to find cost? Cost is equal to weight into rate is equal to, what is weight here? 1.614 into rate is given as rupees 40. Okay, now per kg get cancel. The material cost is equal to rupees 64.58. Rupees 54. 64.58. Once again, I calculate. .614. So 64.58 rupees, that is the material cost. So in the question they will ask or they will add one more sub question here. So just we have found the value of material cost for one key. So they will add one more question. So we need to find material cost for 50 keys, 100 keys, like that they will ask. So multiply by 100. Once you get the value of one key, so we need to multiply how many number of keys they are given. So we need to multiply that much number. We will get the total material cost. Okay. Thank you.